Solve 48x power 4 plus 128x cube minus 51x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should find the values of x. For that, first we should rearrange the given equation. What I mean is, see. First we write x power 4 term. Next we write x square term. Next the constant plus 3. Next we should write x cube term plus 128x cube, and finally the x term minus 8x equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, now from these three terms, what can be taken out common is 3. So here you get 16 x power 4 minus from this 3 out means you get 17x square, plus from this 3 out you get 1. Now from these two terms, what can be taken out common is plus 8x. So here you get 16x square minus here you get 1 equal to 0. Now, the reason for us doing the rearrangement and taking common is such that now we can factorize these three terms. So that we can factorize, that is the reason we did rearrangement and taken common. So I will factorize these three terms here, that is 16x power 4 minus 17x square plus 1. How do we factorize a quadratic? In the same way, we factorize this by splitting the middle term, which is minus 17x square. So in place of minus 17x square, now I write minus 16x square minus 1x square plus 1. I am not doing factorization steps. Directly I split minus 17 to minus 16 and minus 1. Next. Now from these two terms, what can be taken out common? 16x square. So here you get x square minus from this 16x square out you get 1. Now whatever you got here, here also you get the same thing. Now from this x square gone inside, outside you get minus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now you take out x square minus 1 common. So here you have 16x square and here minus 1. Now in place of these three terms, now we replace this. I repeat, in place of these three terms, now we replace this. So let us replace. This equation becomes x square minus 1, 16x square minus 1. Over here no change, plus 8x, 16x square minus 1 equal to 0. Now, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 16x square minus 1. So 16x square minus 1 out. Over here you are left with this, that is 3 times x square minus 1. And over here you are left with plus 8x equal to 0. Now 16x square minus 1, here you open up the brackets in this way. 3x square minus 3 plus 8x equal to 0. That is 3x square. Now in this you should write x term first, constant later. So plus 8x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic here. So let us factorize this quadratic over here, that is 3x square plus 8x minus 3. To factorize this, we should split the middle term, that is plus 8x. So now in place of plus 8x, now I write plus 9x minus 1x minus 3. I am not doing factorization steps. Directly I split plus 8 to plus 9 and minus 1. Next, now from these two terms, what can be taken out common? 3x. So here you get x plus, from this 3x out you get 3. Now whatever you got here, here also you get the same thing. Now from this x gone inside, outside you get minus 1. Now you take out x plus 3 common. So here you have 3x and here minus 1. Now in place of this quadratic, we replace this. I repeat, in place of this quadratic, we replace this. So this equation becomes 16x square minus 1 x plus 3 3x minus 1 equal to 0. More, they told us to solve, which means we should find the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 16x square minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x values from here, for that first I should remove minus 1, so you add 1. It gets cancelled, you get 16x square equal to 1. Now you should remove 16, for that divide by 16. So it cancel out. Now shift square to the other side, it will become square root 1 by 16. Not only that, you should consider both plus or minus. So we get plus or minus square root 1 by 16 is 1 by 4. Now here we should remove plus 3, for that you subtract 3. So you get x equal to minus 3. Now here first we should remove minus 1, for that you add 1. So this cancel out, you get 3x equal to 1. Now to get x you should remove 3, so you divide by 3. So it cancel out, you get x equal to 1 by 3. So the x values we got are plus or minus 1 by 4 and minus 3 and 1 by 3. This is our answer. Am I clear?